Kenya kuringa gituma gukurukira mitandao ya kinande kumeneria thirikari ni untu bwa bimwe bya ichunche bya kuongera murigo jogoti kiria Kenya na ndi ntuku ya narua thirikari netezanirite JAMWE MENDIKITHIA JAMWE jaria jeberetwe ni ugoti buraburari gwitithia maguri ja MUGATE ugoti bwa NGARI na gwatwika NCHOOBI IKAGITAIRWA ugoti kuringana na URURU BWAYO amwe na bubu ABUNGE ba AZIMIO bakaringa kura KURINGANA na finance bill yonthe ni untu kuri na ichunchi bya watho bitigibiria bya kurukwa bikainyiria mukenya bunene.
Mushemani jongo wataniro Kenya kwanza kana piji jo kuthira rukire bonde bumare barikanitie kweberi pengere mwanya mwanya bira Kenya barethera berera mikira kire finance bill ya 2024 ogoti kire MUGATE ogoti kire mauta ja kuruga ni nyogoti kire ngalishika mataigwa kuma mundene gotakire viwanda ibimwe pithiro bikeberwa Kemani Kuria mubunga wa kumarotelo molo no mukaririgite wakamite kigena.
Had the conversation about eggs and onions and potatoes. So what you've done to protect our poultry farmers, our potato farmers in Nyandarua and Molo, and protect our onion farmers, we have proposed excise duty only on imported table eggs, imported onions, and imported potatoes.
Kenya nkoroki ibano kito moriu jokogito amari kirigo to mambeza kire mpesa wekiri nyagwita kire banki na nyankoroki orongirwa kiare ibatunyi mainya kiraba bakunenkirwa gotegera account shanto kenda bamenyi babati korogoti kire NGARI nabo nenyabara bakubanga kogora nande ibano kito moriu jogoti omwana joijere gaturumuidano.
There has been a concern about introduction of excess duty on motorcycles. Again, the decision that we made last year to incentivize local assembly of motorcycles have seen a lot of institutions set up local assembly of motorcycles here in Kenya. There is no reason why we must import a complete finished motorcycle from China. So we are putting excise duty on the one that is imported, but the ones that are made here locally, those are exempted.
We want to protect our own local manufacturers.
Da bono botengani rongirwa kiare rotiro ridingatari mikaire mono barabanda matune jambo kando na kubakitithio goti kire teams edro maketha jao tete kudroje kuroka shilingi milioni 1.
We are providing for what we are calling reverse invoicing, so that when now they take the product to the trader, now it is the expense of the trader, not the farmer. And on these items, there was also a concern that there are, for example, mamambogas who supply vegetables to a hotel, and requiring them to register for items then will be a problem. So we have also exempted those small businesses that have turnover of less than 1 million shillings.
Na mwako wa berugoti bobo nande kitheke ukingi nakyo akenya baba ingi bando batamarira arabedrito berera mekira ogoti bwata urosho deruche ekoro amwe na ndaipacha twana kere madogane baba ingi bariuga kinyadru into bikodre bidondekirwa jande ogorone bitibateri kodre bikirwa ogoti.
All the items that we use, whether it is a fridge or whether it is a phone or whether it is a TV set and all other items, one day that item will die, and that is for sure. So we are asking manufacturers of those items in the countries where they are produced to provide a user responsibility pay by this eco levy in the country of manufacture. And I need to make this clear, that the cost of the eco levy will be borne by the manufacturers of those items in those countries before they are shipped into Kenya.
Without the removal of the taxes on the imported goods, which is further going to raise the cost of living, therefore demonstrations must just proceed as they've started. We will soon join you in these demonstrations after our debates, and I urge all members of parliament to still vote no.
Ntukwerojo abunge batinda kwarira musonda jojo mwankaze toshio tuko araba karokera ntukwelamisi na ntukwelamisi da mogwanja ne kedro ntukwemodhia kire mobunge onde oroene ende kidhiriro garoku kana amendment kwedro kinenkania notice kiro bisi speaker ara ntukwenjumine kimeketo etete bakedro bakiareria nyakuringira kura ogaroku ko garoku kana gichonko clause ngere report rantoshoro TV kumaje karone bya bunge kengi nangine ne kineke mshoni Nairobi mbita Boniface Mongera.